Hello everyone, today we will have a brief discussion on relapsing fever. It is a common infectious disease in developing nation, particularly the Horn of Africa is suffering from this infectious disease, and specifically our country Ethiopia is suffering from this outbreak. The reason behind this nation is suffering from frequent war, famine, drought and the like. This results in people to become homeless and additionally large number of people to reside in refuge camps. As you know, nowadays almost all refuge camps are carrying large number of people. This results in poor sanitation and overcrowding. As you know, the vector for relapsing fever is louse, so crowding and poor sanitation will promote louse infestation. So if there is louse infestation, it will result in the transmission of the Borrelia species from infected person to the healthy one. Relapsing fever, as the name indicates, it is an infectious disease characterized by a relapsing pattern of fever, and this results from infection by Borrelia spirochetes. This disease condition was identified by ancient Greece 2000 years back. They understood that patient presented with this specific pattern of fever. Two febrile episodes which are separated by wellness. This condition was described by the ancient Greece as relapsing fever. However, they didn't understood the etiology behind this disease condition. So the etiology was described in the 19th century due to the development of microscope and other microbiological studies. They have identified the spirochetes from a blood sample taken from a patient presented with this pattern of fever, and they have identified the Borrelia species. Let's come to the etiology of relapsing fever. It is caused by bacteria from the bacterial groups Spirochetes, because it has helical or spiral shape, and under the genus Borrelia, because spirochetes includes other types of infectious disease also, like Treponema pallidum, the one which is causing syphilis, leptospirosis. All these disease conditions are also caused by spirochetes, but in case of relapsing fever, it is caused by the genus Borrelia. So Borrelia are there thin, coiled, microscopic filaments. They are moving in one direction and they will recoil again, then they will move to the next one. So by their microscopic features, they are explained as spirochetes. Technically, they are gram-negative bacteria, but they are very small. Almost they are 30 micrometers long and 0.3 micrometer wide. So this makes it difficult to be seen under gram stain. And this bacteria has a helical shape and it has outer and inner membrane. The most important thing that we should know is the outer membrane of this bacteria is very loose, so it can be easily disrupted during histologic preparation and smear preparation for microscopy. This will give it different morphological feature. So sometimes it may confuse laboratory technicians because disruption of the membrane makes it to lose its spiral shape. And developing under culture media is very difficult. Almost a few laboratories in the world have this culture. So usually it is identified through Geimsa Wright stain under light microscope.